Vaccine. You know, I never read this. The basic is resealable. I never knew it. So if you watched my other video, I said something about popsicle molds. And I got this popsicle mold. It's supposed to pull this thing, and it's supposed to be resealable. Oh wow, gotta hide that from Bubba. Yeah, I said to you, Bubba. He's back here. Oh! Look at that, it's freaking sticky right there. What are you supposed to do? Hide it somewhere so I don't get unsticky? Weird, weird. But this is the one I got. You can pick different colors. I got pink. And I'm going to open it so I can wash it. But I just went out to Family Dollar and got me some drinks to put in here. And I got fruit from Walmart I can put in there too. I already got one of those from Wish, so I don't really need to open that. It's gonna thunder out today. Hide that from him too. Oh, he's not looking. I just have to look back and see if he's looking. So, oh, they're all. There's a brush too. Where is it? Oh, it's stuck up in there. And you just put the brushes here. Wow! Clean your ears. Just, oh, they're sitting there okay. Just put them in there. They got something on them. Oh, sunshines. Let's see, where is it? Can you see? You can see kind of. Sunshines. Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows on, I don't know. Oh damn, where's the other one? There. I'll try to show a review of them. I just kind of make them and show them what they look like. But yeah. Man, damn. You know what Amazon should do? Give you like points or something to do reviews of their product. Give you like half off. That way, you know. Yeah, this they should do. This is what it is. Feel it here, feel it. You feeling it? Yeah, I like to feel silicone. Yeah. I will do like a little review, see how it is. Oh wait, is that sun or is that paw prints? Why does this one look different? This, oh, that's what. But yeah. I will do a review. If anyone knows any popsicle recipes, holla at me. I usually get them off Pinterest. But yeah, I'm just going to put the, let's see, some of this in there and some fruit. Cut the fruit up there and then put it in the freezer. But yeah, I'm just going to wash it first. Yeah. Alright, let's catch you later. Let me sit right there a minute. Bye! See what he's doing. What's he doing? Oh, no. Caught him in the act. Look at his foot. Oh, Bubba. Caught you in the act. Got you on camera. Caught in the act. Bye, Bo.